Alright, came out here to try to get a little fishing in. Look at the road to the boat ramp. That is a lot of water. Wow. Can't get to the water will come to you. All right, guys, I am out here trying to get my fish on in the evening, and man, look at the boat ramp. You don't even see it. The water is super high right now. I really want to just come out here and try and get my motor tested out, because the last 2 times out I kind of messed up on a couple things. One of those being the impeller gasket being backwards, and then another one is I didn't fully tighten down the lower unit. But so everything hopefully is fixed now. I'm out here trying to test it really, but I want to do some fishing also. Here we go. See how I feel. Feels good so far. So, all right, well, that's not good. Wow. Oh, I missed them. No. Getting hit. What is that? Oh my God. That sucks. Something that didn't want it. Man, he took that hard, but he didn't take it hard. Man, look at that. Can't even, I mean, I could probably make it under the bridge, but wow. I'm trying to get a shallow boat next year, man. I'm just deciding which one. But how shallow can you get in that Haney?
Foot. I mean, now this Haney is different than the other ones. It's a big foot. So the big foot, you're going to be able to go more shallow than the Magnum.
Okay.
So this, honestly, this ain't this ain't really that good for marsh, but it's like the all-around big boat, bay boat. So I could go, you know, get really close up to, you know, a foot, and I'll just jack the motor and use the control motor.
Okay.
And just crawl around and flip 1 foot deep. What's your name?
Marcus.
Marcus?
Yep.
My name's Ryan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Ryan. See if I can get a trout, man. I had one hit me.
Hey, I know you got a GoPro. Do you YouTube?
Yeah.
I think I know you.
I have a channel called Off Day Therapy.
Yeah. Are you with Lawrence Angler?
Yeah, I fish with Nick all the time.
Okay, I know who you are.
Yeah. I happen to flip my skiff over in
I saw that.
in Lavaca Bay.
Yeah.
Man, that was pretty crazy, man. And you know the funny thing is, I know you're supposed to go nose in and zigzag.
Yeah.
The problem is, I was half a mile from the boat ramp, and the boat ramp is straight ahead, and the storm is coming from this way. And so if I go this way, I'm going to choppier water. If I go this way, I'm going to the shoreline, which is choppy. So I was thinking to myself, like, man, if I just can get half a mile straight, I'll be home free.
Yeah.
And that's what I was thinking, and I'm like, damn.
Because people, I don't know what your deal is, but every time I'm here, except for today, of course, but mostly in the morning, you don't know.
Oh, we got one. Oh yeah. What is that? Oh, that's running like a drum. Oh, what is that? No, get off my motor. Oh, that's a red. Oh, that's a speck. It's a big boy. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh yeah. Bleeding all over my yak, man. Get this hook out of him. Finally got one here. Are you keeping fish?
Yeah, I do.
All right, you can take this guy. I think he's gonna die anyways.
Okay.
Let me, I'll go over there. I'll anchor. I'll pull up my anchor.
I'm done, so you can come on over.
All right. He's 17 and a half.
That'll work. Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a nice boat, man. Oh my God. Oh, we got him. What is that? Another speck? Oh yeah. Possibly a keeper. Let me get this rod out of the way. You know I want my lure, buddy, and my lure. All right, you can go, man. You know, you're probably not even big enough to play at my table. $14 and a half. Get out of here. You guys probably can't see a damn thing, but I can. No, try and get one more over here with this bird, and then head to the boat ramp. Man, these mosquitoes, you get away from them with the motor on, then they somehow find you again, which is weird. Oh, there's a big one right there. Let's see if I can get him. Who wants it? They're all the same cookie cutter size though. Let's see. I just keep my light on. There we go. Just don't put it too bright. Alright, it got off. Man, look at this guy. Actually, he may be a keeper. I'm not keeping trout, but let's see. Nah, you're 13, about 13. Alright. The Yozuri's pulling them in though, baby. Oh, he stole it. Man, this is fun fishing right here, actually. Oh, getting bigger. Oh yeah, getting bigger. Wow, he's actually a keeper. Look at him. Hey, chill, dude. You sliming me everywhere. Wow, he's a keeper. Look at that guy. That's a keeper right there. I don't want to take my chances with you, man, but come on, chill out. There we go. Let's see. Just curious how big you are. Man, the only thing about that light, man, is bringing in the bugs. Oh yeah, you're 15. I'm not keeping you though, buddy. I'm not keeping you. Get out of here. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you how many fish are right here. I'm gonna get my big old spotlight. See if I can get a little closer. I need to fix my motor now, which sucks. Oh man, that poor shrimp got landlocked. All right, here we go, guys. Man, the trout are so smart. They only want certain things. Wow. So that Yozuri looked like a shrimp. Watch this. Look at this. Look at them. They don't even want it. Oh, you know why? If I didn't have it hooked up right. Oh no, I do. Oh man, he's a big boy. Oh, one of them hit it. Man, I need my Yozuri back. That thing was killing it. Look at him. All right, they don't like that. All right, we're gonna change it up then. You don't like that guy? I know I got something you like in here. I just don't want to use something too small, because if I do, you guys are gonna, it's gonna be really tough to get it out, and man, it's dark. I can't really see too well, so I don't want to work too hard to get it out. Guess what? We're gonna try top water at night. Oh, we got him. Oh, that's funny. All right, let me let you off, guy. Let me let you off. All right.